in my 42-year career, I had never seen anything like this before. There was nothing working, nothing. Everything stopped. We literally had to go back to pen and paper. I worked with veteran people whose voices were shaking. I tried to do my best to be as confident as possible. On the inside, I was shaking. We had to act immediately, and I told my team, trust the process, and we'll get through this. We had faith in Veeam, but you don't know until you know. We did not lose a single file. We weren't thinking about being heroes. I'll be honest, we were thinking about winning. We're not going to lose to these threat actors. You have to rise to the occasion. Veeam is the company that we want to be in the trenches with.